To choose one, for some non-zero real values of a, b and c, it is given that modulus of c by a is 4, modulus of a by b is 1 by 3, b by c is minus 3 by 4. AC is greater than 0, b plus c by a equals. AC is greater than 0, that means a and c have the same sign. B by c is minus 3 by 4, b and c have opposite sign. Nice, wonderful. So b by c is minus 3 by 4. I'm going to say, hey, if b is equal to minus 3k, c is equal to 4k. A by b is 1, modulus of a by b is 1 by 3, modulus of c by a is 4. But I know a and c need to have the same sign. So if c were 4k, a would be k. Right? I'm not dealing with the modulus equations. I'm first dealing with only these two. AC is greater than 0, a and c should have the same sign. B by c is minus 3 by 4, b and c should have opposite signs. If b is minus 3k, c should be 4k. If c is in terms of 4k, a should be some positive number of times k. Modulus of c by a is 4, modulus of 4k by a is 4, k should be plus or minus k. It is not minus k, it should only be plus k. Now what do we need to find? B plus c by a equals minus 3k plus 4k by k. Is k by k 1 done. Beautiful. Remember, k could have been negative, this will still work.